Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to put this device into recovery mode. And to get started, we'll simply need to hold power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. And once that has actually happened, which on this device it takes a second, you want to hold power key and volume up. So now that it's off, power key, volume up, both of them at the same time. Now from here it should be located in the boot mode, and in this mode you will need to use a volume up to navigate, as you can see, and the volume down will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And you want to select the first option, recovery mode, press volume down, and you should see Android with no command after this. There we go. So simply hold power key and press volume up, and there we go. We are now in recovery mode. Now in this mode we can actually use both of the volume keys to navigate. Unfortunately touch doesn't work. So whatever you select you will then confirm with power key. And as you can see, you can reboot system from here, which will take you to Android operating system, reboot the bootloader, which will take us back to where we just came from, apply updates, wipe data or cache partition, mount system, view logs, along with running some tests, and lastly, power off option. So like I said, whatever you select, press power key to confirm it, and because I want to leave it, I selected the Reboot System Now, which will just take me back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.